Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with another lock picking video. The lock I have for you today is this Pollux 7. Unfortunately it came to me with no key, but I was able to create one which works beautifully. It's a Bramah style pump lock, comes from France, and it has 7 pins. And these pins have some serrations and are also tapered, which makes it quite challenging to pick this one. But on the other hand, the feedback is quite good. So it's also not impossible to pick it. So without further ado, let's put it in a vise and see if we can get it picked. Okay, the Pollux 7 is now in the vise. Key still works nicely. And for picking I use this homemade tensioner. And where is it? And a simple pick. Feels quite good, but still not open. And there we go. I put it one place further because we will now gut it, so it doesn't matter. And yeah, I have to remove this little socket I made first. I have already removed the back part, which is normally actuating the lock. And to remove the core, we simply have to remove this screw and hold this a bit back because it's heavy spring loaded. There comes the core out. Let's take a pinning tray, and the good thing is that the core slides out, including all the pins completely. Housing is here, and we can just put this apart And we see that the springs and pins are all in place. There are some pins falling out, okay, but let's keep them for later. Don't know which ones they are, but we'll see that later. Maybe we start with the springs. This is the first one, and the second one has the driver pin attached, because this is quite a small driver, and all the others are just plain springs. Should be 7. There we go. And this is the back piece of the core. And yeah, we see that we have numbers 1 and 7. Should be this way. I assume that this one maybe could be number 7. And this number 1 could also be the other way around. Don't know. Anyways, these are the drivers. And yeah, let's put the other drivers out. This is then number 6. Should be this way. 5, 4, 3. Number 2 is, yeah, we already have this one. No, something strange. No, indeed, this is the key pin of number 2, obviously, and number 1. It's also a very long key pin, so we are probably right with the assumption that this is number 1 and this is number 7. So for the key pins, start with 7 again. Number 6. 5. Number 4 is a bit stiff. Number 3. And number 2 and 1 we have already. So this is the front part of the core, and yeah, as we can see, this rotates against each other, and the back part is fixed with the screw. So the key operates the front part, and thus the actuator in the back. Yeah, that's about all for this one. The Pollux 7, picked and got it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, and see you next time.